Hey everyone, welcome back to Hero in Progress. This is episode 12, and today's side mission is a little unexpected. That's right, someone's messed with the neighborhood's water supply, and it's up to me, Spider-Man, to fix it. Because apparently, stopping villains and saving the city just isn't enough. Before we dive into this pipe-sized mystery, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and drop a comment. Especially if you've ever had to fix something weird in your apartment. Looks like this is a sewage pipe, and it drains straight into the ocean. That's seriously gross.
Clogged by, trash. No wonder the pipe burst. Cleared the trash. I don't think the water's running.
Oh, I know how to fix it. You gotta find the pump station.
How did you know that?
I did a Clean Up the Rivers project in 4th grade.
So they're sparkling clean now?
Well, cleaner. Do not go in the Hudson.
If the issue's not down here, it's probably upstream. I'll head to the water station.
Yankee, these are definitely the guys I fought at the power station.
Okay, I get the bank heist and the power station, but why mess with Feast?
Let's find out.
You think he'll start running protection again? Yeah, once he's settled in, sure. He's having a grip on this place first. Hey, ain't that why we're here? Gotta give it to the boss. He's the only one smart enough to pull off this whole thing. Unless we get caught. If we do, say nothing. Big guy rewards loyalty. Not how I plan to spend the holidays dumping trash.
Huh? What's that? Hey, these are webs! I dare him to show his skinny face!
What's the matter? No supervillain to take care of? Back off, Spider! Quit your
We
pipe.
know you're
I'm
here, little man!
You think... Oh, that looks painful! He can't take all of us!
So much for stealth. Let's take them head on.
Take your best shot!
Come here!
Let's see how you fight!
Tell me who's paying you!
See how you like my... Hey! Get back down here!
You're down!
You're
Finally done. That took more effort than I expected.
You gotta turn on the pump.
Hey, Clean Up the Rivers guy. Pump's pressure's in the red.
Looks like they messed with the valves. You'll have to reset them individually before you can turn on the pump.
Did you hear those guys? Their boss wants to run crime in Harlem. Drugs, protection.
Can't people just visit for the food and museums and not make a mess? Non-Spider-Man related question. Did you start at Jane Eyre for Miss Mallory's class?
I haven't done any homework since school let out.
It's wild. I just finished this wedding scene. can't.
Hold that thought. Behind. Trash. Cool. Ah, no, cold. Blech. One valve down, 2 to go. I'm back. We were talking about winter break reading?
It's wild. I just finished this wedding scene. Can't put it down.
Are you reading right now? I thought you were helping me.
Yep. Nope. I'm here. You have my undivided attention. As soon as I finish this chapter. 5 minutes.
Dude. Oh, crap, oh, crap, oh, crap. Ah, I gotta web it. I am ready to assist you. No, and I'll need the water pressure right in the middle, or it could rupture the pipes again. Won't work till the pressure drops. No, water pressure's too high. That's 2. One more, and I can turn the water back on.
Crap, we're busted! Taking you down!
These guys are everywhere. Hey guys, wanna tell me who your boss is? No? Okay, fine.
Don't concern you, Spider-Man!
This here's a private business venture! Just walk away! You don't want to cross the guy leading!
This is why we don't mess with shelters. You all left Harlem alone, I leave you alone. Maybe. We can always run.
Not on me, kid!
Now for the pressure valve.
Let's keep it going.
Should be fixed.
On to the next task.
Need to turn on the water at the pump station. Hey, Genki, can you call the city? Get them to send someone to Feast North and declare it uncondemned.
One official sounding call from a high school student pretending to be an adult coming up.
Return of the Goon Squad. Need to get rid of these guys.
Ugh, laser sights. Those guys are always bad news.
Ever actually been to see the boss? In his cell?
They don't let people visit. Only way to contact them is through that video setup in the basement.
Weird the guards let him keep a webcam. You kidding?
Most of those guys were on his payroll before he went to prison. I heard something.
Tell me who you guys work for!
No way in hell! Take this kid out! Stop my plan! Get him back! He's picking us off! This is not how we planned it! Got a shot!
Seriously? I can't hit them from this angle? Behind a fence? Alright, reset time.
Return of the Goon Squad. Need to get rid of these guys. Siesta time.
What the hell was that? Hey!
This time, no mistakes.
Wish it was always this easy.
Yeah,
Nice.
sneaking around definitely beats a full-on fight.
What the hell was that? I got some webs! Spider-Man's here! Guys, we got a man down! Need some help here!
Easier than I thought.
Game's too easy.
Hey man, I just overheard. Their boss is in the raft.
Whoa. Right side? Maybe we can cut off however he's communicating with people on the outside. I'll look into it.
Now we gotta turn on the water. Water coming on. Now.
Great timing. City Inspector just got the feast. Should be able to reopen soon.
Cool. I'm gonna head there. Make sure Gloria's got everything she needs.
So, reasons for the boss of this whole shady operation to go after Feast. 1. The land it's on? Prime real estate. 2. Having a shelter in Harlem reduces crime, like, a lot.
And if he wants to be a crime boss, he actually needs crime to boss around.
Exactly. But we stopped him. Go team!
What?
Don't see that every day.
The new one?
Hey there.
Oh, Spiderman. Hi. Always happy to meet one of you guys.
Oh, yeah, listen, I was fixing the water system and I noticed your shelter was affected. Should be fixed now, though.
That was you? Inspector just came by, said we're good to open.
Everyone can go inside.
Ah, Spider-Man, you've got perfect timing. Don't know how much longer we would have held out. Thank you.
Hey, Gloria, it's Miles. I heard Feast North is open again.
We had a little help from Spider-Man, if you can believe it. Thanks for stopping by. People in the park said you helped a lot.
Happy to.
Now get back to your winter break. We'll see you when school starts back up.
Alright. Bye.
Mission complete. Really appreciate you sticking around. Make sure to like and subscribe.